my 3 ingredients Yorkshire puddings. These are dairy and gluten free, so you're going to need some eggs, corn flour and milk. I chose to use almond, no sugar. And we need a jug and a whisk. So in here I've got 200 grams of corn flour. I've cracked 6 eggs now into here. Going to give those a whisk. Now we're going to add those into the corn flour and we're going to whisk that together to make sure that we've got no lumps. Now that I've whisked that all together and my arms are completely aching, it's nice and smooth. Lovely smooth batter there. Now we just need to add in the milk. So we've got 300 ml of almond milk. You could use any dairy-free milk. We're just going to pop a little bit in at a time and then give that a good mix. As you see, it will go slightly lighter in colour, but it's gorgeous. There is literally no lumps in it. I think it's the best way to do it is to do the flour and eggs first. I know everyone does it different, but this way I think I'll get a really lovely smooth batter. The last of the milk in, I'm going to add some salt and pepper. I cannot stand Yorkshire pudding without salt and pepper in it. I think it just tastes so bland. So we're going to add that in, and you can make this in advance. So I'm not cooking dinner for an hour or so. This will sit in the fridge absolutely fine. So you can make it ahead, which also helps. The key to these Yorkshire puddings is getting the tray very, very hot. So you're going to need some sunflower oil, and I would say probably about a teaspoon to a tablespoon in each little hole, so each one of these. And then once that is so hot, then we'll add the mixture. I'll show you how to do this. We need to get the pan out of the oven, and that has got boiling hot fat in it. Here goes. You can see that it's sizzling away. That's how hot it is. I'm just going to get all of these in as quickly as I possibly can, because this is going to help them to rise and not be too stodgy and be lovely and fluffy. So they're in that hot oven, 220 degrees, for around 20 minutes, and then I'll give them a check. I'm not sure how well you can see this, but look how much they are rising. Can't wait to get them out of the oven. Wow, look at these Yorkshires. Fluffy, crispy, absolutely delicious, and dairy and gluten free. We've got chicken, stuffing, parsnips, roast potatoes, gluten free and dairy free Yorkshires, and some veg, and on goes the gravy. What I'm going to do with these that are left over is I've got a freezer bag, which I've written on, and I'm going to pop these in the freezer, and I can just reheat them for another day. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button, and I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my channel so that you can see more tips, recipes, and come shop with me.